Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I am Altaf Nadir Takia.
I am Fariski Kurniawan. We are from Senior High School number 17 Palembang.
We are here to present our innovation about personal security alarm using Bluetooth.
There are a lot of missing child, lost belongings, forgotten stuffs, thefts, and crimes that are reported in today's era, even though people have tried their best to protect their stuffs. People also have a technology which is a smartphone, and in the smartphone they have Bluetooth. And in this research, we will utilize those Bluetooth that most people have to help people protect their belongings and search for missing things. Objectives in this study are to know how the personal security alarm that we are going to make works and minimum range required for it to work. Because the more minimum range it can give us, then the faster that it can warn us when the object is missing.
For the methodology, the method used in this research is assembling and coding to make the belonging tracker which connected onto smartphone's application. The alarm works by emitting a certain sound when it is moved to a certain distance from the smartphone. Personal security alarm can warn the belonging owner by sound just like an alarm using Bluetooth. The personal security alarm is assembled using HC05 Bluetooth module, Arduino buzzer module, aluminum foil, and jumper cables. HC05 Bluetooth module is used to connect to the device. Arduino buzzer module is used for the alarm. The aluminum foil is used to cut the distance for the connection. And the jumper cables is used to assemble the device. The Arduino is coded using Arduino IDE software, and the application is made using Android Studio.
From our experiment, we got the results that the minimum distance of Bluetooth connection loss is about the range of 4 meters, and the maximum distance of the Bluetooth connection loss is about the range of 10 meters. The distance can be minimized and maximized by using the aluminum foil, which is already stated in the methodology. The aluminum foil creates a Faraday cage that can prevent the Bluetooth connection to go further. The highest loudness produced by this device is around 85 decibels. This is measured using decibel meter in a phone. The alarm will ring around 2 seconds after this connection is lost. This time is measured by using stopwatch. On the pictures, we can see the device and the application. In the device, there is the Arduino Uno, which is the blue one, and then there is the Arduino buzzer module, which is connected to the Arduino Uno, which is the black one in the picture. And then there is the HC05 Bluetooth module, which is covered in aluminum foil and then connected to the Arduino Uno. The Bluetooth module is connected to the RX, TX, 5V, and also GND, which is ground. On the application, we can see there is the Bluetooth on and off, and there is the turn on alarm to check if the Bluetooth buzzer is working. And then there is discover new devices, which we can use to discover new devices. And we can also show paired devices after we discovered the new device. There is RSSI and also status window. RSSI indicates the distance between us and the device. Status indicates whether it is connected to the device or not. After we pair the device, we can connect it with our phone, and then when the device is too far from us, whether it's the minimum or maximum distance or in between, it will ring an alarm.
For the conclusion, it can be concluded that personal security alarm can track belongings and stuffs by sending a certain sound through a smartphone. The personal security alarm will be useful for people to protect their stuffs and belongings by ringing an alarm and giving a notification in the smartphone when the personal security alarm is moving quite far in the range of 4 meters until 10 meters from its initial positions. We think that's all for our presentation about our innovation, personal security alarm using Bluetooth.
We are sorry for our mistakes that we have made in this video.
Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.